Hello guys, this is question number 10, 2013, May, June. Okay, so we're given this shape and we were asked to find, so I'm just going to solve by this side. Solution. So we're asked to find the perimeter. So firstly, perimeter means the addition of every single thing that comprises of this shape. So that's this plus this, the length of every single thing that comprises of this shape. So I have 5 here, 3 here, 12, 22. Because it's a rectangular board, the opposite sides are equal. So this is also 12 centimeter. So the only thing left out is this segment of the circle that has been cut off. Okay, to find that, let's imagine we still have our original rectangular board, and if this was a circle that was cut off from it, that makes this a chord. Now the length of a chord is equals to 2r sine theta over 2. So we need to find this arc for the perimeter to be complete. Now, length of an arc, which is basically what we need here, is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Now come to think of it, if we have the length of this chord, then I can get my value for theta and substitute it back here and get the value for the length of the arc. And do not forget, your radius was given to be 1.5 times length of your chord. Okay, so to calculate for the length of the chord, let's imagine we have the complete rectangle. This is 22, and because it's a rectangle, opposite sides should be equal. So that means the whole of this should give you 22. So we have, let's call this length here x. So now I have 5 plus 3 plus x should be equals to 22, making x equals to 22 minus 8, making my x equals to 14. So I have this as 14 centimeter. So if I have the length of the chord, my radius is 1.5 times the length of the chord. So my radius is 1.5 times 14, giving me to be 21 centimeter. So that's the radius. Now let's move further. We still need the value for theta before we can calculate the length of the arc. Now to get theta, let's come back here. We have radius, we have the length of the chord, so I can get theta now. This is the only unknown here. So the length of the chord, remember, is 14 centimeter, which is equals to 2 times my radius is 21 times sine theta over 2. So this can cancel this, leaving my sine theta to be equals to 14 over 21. Theta can be sine inverse of 14 over 21, and I can then have my theta to be equals to 38.9 degrees. So if I've gotten the value for theta, I can come back here and get the length of the arc. So the length of this arc, length of my arc is theta over 360 times 2 pi r, which means 38.9 over 360 times 2 times 22 over 7 times r, which is 21. So calculating this, you have your length of arc to be equals to 14.28 centimeter. Okay, so now the perimeter should be addition of the total length of the shape. That's 22 plus 12 plus 3 plus length of the arc plus 5 plus 12. Okay, let's do just that. So my perimeter is equal to 22 plus 12 plus 3 plus length of the arc was 14.28 plus 5 plus 12. So giving my perimeter to be equals to 68.28 centimeter. Now let's move on to question B. You were asked to express 3 over root 3 into bracket 2 over root 3 minus root 12 over 6. So you're asked to express this and simplify without using calculators or tables. So let's open up the brackets. I have 3 over root 3 into bracket 2 over root 3 minus 3 over root 3 into bracket root 12 over 6. So this 6 over, when you multiply square roots, it gives you the number inside. It's under the topic surds. So I have 3 root 12 over 6 root 3. So I have 6 over 3 will give me 2 minus 3, 1, 3, 2. I have root 12 over 2 root 3. So this becomes 2 minus root 12 can be broken down to be 4 times 3 over 2 root 3. The root 3 can cancel out the root 3. I have 2 minus root 4 over 2. Now root 4 should give me 2. As square root of 4 is 2. So 2 minus 2, so I have 2 minus 1. So my final answer is equals to 1. Okay, I hope you guys understood that. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.